But yeah, she's definitely buried.
We got a big day today. I've got a recovery to do. I got a Jeep Rubicon that is stuck down in Anderson. We're going to go pull that guy out. It may be a bit of a job. It's stuck pretty good. So we're going to head down there and see if we can help pull him out. I'm sure we can. We got lots of tools. One thing we got to do before I go down there, I have to install my drive shafts. Let me show you. Adam's drive shaft sent me some new drive shafts because mine were just slap wore out. And we're going to throw those in and then we're going to head down the highway. So wish me luck. I'll catch up with you once I get these installed and we're on the road. Thanks for watching. All right, so we got the drive shafts installed. No more squeaking. Found my squeak. I never heard a drive shaft squeak, but this one do. Now watch. Smooth ride. I just got on and back off the interstate, got her up to highway speeds, and it's doing great. So I want to give a shout out to Adam's drive shaft for hooking me up again. The install went smooth. The hole pattern on the flanges was right. Yeah, so we are gonna pick up a couple of supplies, maybe get some quick bite to eat, and head on down, see if we can get this Jeep pulled out. All right. All right, we made it to the scene of the crime here. Well, I take that back. We're not sure. Actually, we're pretty sure no crimes were committed.
Yeah,
but
definitely nothing.
Nothing illegal.
Nothing illegal at all.
Wow. We got a nice creek here. Well, something's flowing into the creek. Let's see. Yeah, we can get you out.
If you look underneath the...
It's like there's a gas can down there.
There, we threw all kinds of stuff in to try to get traction. But you see, it's bottomed out over here.
Yeah.
Like on that right there.
Yeah.
So I might have to dig out.
Yeah.
Dig out that. And also at the back.
So now that I'm up here, you can really see that Jeep's in a hole, dude.
And I tried to, if you see them wound up right there.
Oh, you tried the floor mat trick.
I tried to put floor mats under it.
Okay. And they say that never works, but people try it.
It did not work. But we had limited resources. And you can see all the logs that we gathered to try to wedge under. Which we probably want to get those out before we start pulling out so it doesn't swing up and
do some damage.
Stick into something.
Okay.
But yeah, she's definitely buried. Man, those cicadas are wild.
They're loud. So basically we made like a bridle here. Hopefully that'll work out for us. Oh, you've done a lot of work there. I think that's gonna help a lot. If I knew we were digging this way, I probably would have brought a longer shovel.
Yeah.
But that works.
I don't even know if I have a longer shovel at the house. I don't think anything is like bended in or damaged or anything. I just it's stuck. Dude, look at the inside there. Yeah. That's great. All right. Let's hope it cranks.
Good deal. Perfect. A little bit more passenger. That's good right there. And then, so what are you in? What gear? What are you? 4 low. Yeah, I guess put it in 4 low and don't let them spin. Just give it a little gas, but not yet. Wait till I'm pulling on you, you know. All right, let me get back up there. And I guess roll your window down so I can hear you. Yeah, if you can. Cool. Oh yeah, I got faith. Give it a little gas. Give me a little more. There you go. Say what now? I don't have to. Yeah, so what I think you're gonna be able to do this on your own power now. So I'm gonna unhook and get out of your way and move that before, let me move that camera back. And then I think you're gonna be golden. So we got her out of that big hole. Let's go check it out.
Man, I started climbing up there.
It's up to above my belly button. So, all right guys, thanks for watching Winch Outdoors. If you hadn't yet, please press that like button, and it really helps me out. Thanks for watching again. All right. Hey, man.
Yep, we got it.